Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Now, Khopolo always dishes up for me, and I love him for that. Now, he reports awards DJ Sebi and Nomalanga to host the Metro's red carpet. The best mornings host DJ Sebi and SABC1 presenter Nomalanga Shozi will bring all the actions from the Motsepe Foundation sponsored Black Carpet at the 2024 Metro FM Awards. Ceremony is happening on April the 27th in Mpumalanga and will be aired live on SABC1. Hashtag Khopolo Reports. Guys, we are so excited and waiting patiently for the Metro FM Awards because it's been a while. Hey, it's been a while, and the way they are advertising them, it's as if we're going to see elegance, 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 elegance. Congratulations to the host, and see you guys on the 27th. Please do like, share, and subscribe.